Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can track the Swordsmen without being noticed. So just hide a little bit, as you can see, like that.
Keep up. Be careful. Who are they? You seem to know them well.
Just go around some trees, etc. You can even crouch it.
He's tricking you. Quick, after him. Looks like they're heading for the wine cellar.
And now you can just track. Simple as that. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next